Right, I bought this from Amazon today. I'm going to open it up, and it's a 100 envelope challenge, savings challenge folder. Very nice indeed, I have to admit. I'll just get this box out of the way. I'll just show you the rest of it. Essentially, it comes with a load of cards that basically give you your own challenges. So you might want to be saving £100 a week in cash, which is fine, or you could do £10 a week. I think there's lots of others ones in there. I'll put those there for the minute. So inside the binder, you have basically zipper binders where you can put the money, and then obviously just tick off the card every week when you put the money into the binders. There's quite a few of them. There's plenty of room. There's a little pen holder here as well, and the binder's quite thick, so you can get quite a bit of cash in here without too much bother. But there you go. Not a bad purchase. I should enjoy using this one.